Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to help you solve the card declined by issuer, and I'm going to give you a fix for that. So if you're getting a message, unfortunately the payment was declined by your card issuer or something like that along those lines, what you have to do is there are three different ways, right? First, you will have to contact your bank because in most of the cases your bank does not allow you to actually use the card for your crypto. So you will have to contact the bank, and after the bank allows you, you will be able to use the card. Now, if that doesn't fix, then obviously try to use another card, right? This is the second fix. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are the two fixes, right? Because usually when you get, unfortunately, the payment was declined by your card issuer, that just means that your bank won't allow you for using that card for buying crypto because you're using a new application. That's why they are stopping you from buying on that new application. So just make sure you either contact your card issuer, which is your bank, or make sure the second to use a second card from Revolut or any other card issuer that will allow you to do this much faster, right? What you can do is you can just go and put money from your bank to your Revolut, and then with Revolut you can purchase your crypto, which is really great shortcut for those of you who don't know. So this is basically how to fix card decline by issuer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful, and we'll see you in the next crypto video. Thank you guys for watching.